Hey everybody, welcome back to Godot. So I have this really cool attack animation, but it is playing in slow motion. So how do I scale this to be faster in Godot? So I'll head over to my player scene, go to my animation player, and then I will just go over to my attack animation, and we can see that it is going very slow indeed. I just want to compress all these keyframes. So I just want to go ahead and select all of them, use my mouse wheel to scroll down while I'm holding left click to just get all of these. And then I'm going to go over to edit, scale selection, and then I'll do something like a scale ratio of, let's do something like 0.3. Let's see how fast this is now. So now when I go ahead and hit play, it's a little faster, but not as fast as I want it to be. So I've gone ahead and scaled this appropriately, but I also need to reduce the animation time over here. And then let's say I only want to play the attack part of the animation. All I have to do is just continue selecting all of these keyframes. And then I just want to shift this to the left because my animation will always start exactly where my 0 is. So for example, this is what will play right now, and I don't want that. I need the attacks in there, like the entire swing. So this is pretty good. So I have the full swing in motion over here, and I'll go ahead and hit save, and this looks good to me. And then over in my item data, I just have a attack cooldown, which I just want to match with this animation. Oops, 7 again, just to match these two so that I can attack as soon as this one ends. And now when I go ahead and hit play, so I need to go over and pick up my sword because I have it coded so that I can only attack if I have my sword equipped. And my attack animation looks way better, way faster. And if I hold my movement, you can see that my animation is ending and allowing my character to start moving again. And that's an easy way to scale down or make your animations faster. Thanks for watching Godot. Like, subscribe, comment what you want to see next. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.